A culinary torch is a kitchen tool that you will love to use the second you add it to your arsenal. These humble, butane-fueled gadgets can create a steady, hot flame that you can use to caramelize sugar on a crème brûlée, torch marshmallows, sear steaks and other proteins, scorch meringues, melt cheese, roast peppers, and so much more. 1. Iwatani Kitchen Butane Torch. Iwatani is a classic Japanese brand known for its high-quality torches and attention to detail. This torch head connects directly to the fuel source, though you'll need to purchase the brand's proprietary butane canisters separately. Each canister will get you about 100 minutes of burn time, which is plenty of fuel for the average home cook. If you want to customize the flame, there are controls that allow you to adjust the size and shape of the flame at all times. Reviewers love the consistent and powerful strength of this flame. Because the fuel source is directly attached to the head, you don't need to worry about constantly refilling or the flame weakening. 2. Sandico Butane Torch. The Sandico refillable kitchen torch is a good option for the occasional torch user who doesn't want to spend a lot or store a larger kitchen tool. With a slightly lower maximum heat capacity and smaller flame, this torch is a great tool for bakers who will use it mostly for crème brûlée and meringue. Its efficient size fits easily into a kitchen drawer, but the smaller-sized canister also means it needs to be refilled more often. At just $20, this is a great budget option for home cooks who don't expect to regularly use a kitchen torch but like the idea of having one on hand for special occasions. 3. Joe Chef Superior RX Kitchen Torch. Don't let the small size of the Joe Chef Superior RX fool you. This powerful torch gets up to 2,350 degrees while fitting comfortably in most average-sized hands. Despite being small and lightweight, the torch feels like it's made out of solid heavy-duty material, never feeling like a cheap toy but rather a small compact professional tool. The Superior RX has a safety lock, a positive for any household with curious kids. It also requires you to twist the flame adjustment knob all the way to the open position before igniting, making it difficult to turn on by accident. The flame adjustment knob allows you to customize the length and power of the flame. The torch caramelized the marshmallow just fine without any gasoline taste. I would definitely recommend reducing the gas to the middle since the full-strength flame is pretty powerful. 4. Spicy Dew Blow Torch. With its bright green knobs and accents, the Spicy Dew Professional Blow Torch is one of the more user-friendly torches available. Even if you've never used a kitchen torch in your life, the intuitive torch trigger, the green easy-to-find knob at the top to adjust the flame, and the handguard under the torch neck mean you can safely start making crème brûlée at home like a pro. The Spicy Dew Torch also comes with a child lock button, so you don't have to worry about your children hurting themselves. And there's a built-in wide base so you aren't worried about placing it on a countertop or table. The fuel window on the side of the torch shows you just how much fuel you have in the torch, so you can refuel before making a showstopper dessert. 5. Gibot Torch Lighter. If you're not quite ready to make the investment on this kitchen purchase, it's a great idea to start with this affordable model. Try it out on a homemade crème brûlée or try roasting a few marshmallows to get comfortable with the torch. This model is on the smaller side, so you don't have to worry about any excessively huge flames that could be intimidating for your first go-around. The canister holds about 8 to 10 grams of butane, and when it's all out, you'll need to refill it. Even though the torch itself is just shy of 5 inches, it can still churn out a flame as long as 6 inches. If you plan to use this for big batch torching, you may find it cumbersome to continuously refill the comparatively small canister, but this would be great for a kitchen torching novice.